Hey everyone, so we're going to try the reverse marble effect again. Last time we did it with white. This time we're going to try it with black. So I'm going to go ahead and set that canvas aside while I mix up a cup of paint. I'm doing a 14 by 14 canvas, so I pretty much want to bring this up to probably about here. I believe this is a 10-ounce cup. But I want some bright colors because things get lost in black, and we'll see how this webbing marbly look will be with some brighter colors. So I'm going to use Grumbacher Phthalo Yellow Green. And probably Lucas Turquoise. And let's see, we need a yellow. And a blue. So I think I'll go with, let's go with the manganese. Be enough contrast there for that. And I think I might throw in some purple red. Okay, so I have to be careful how I layer these in the cup so I don't get mud. So I'm going to go ahead and probably go right in the order that I have them here. So I'm going to do the Soho Manganese Blue first. Lucas Turquoise. Grumbacher Phthalo Yellow Green. Artist Loft Brilliant Yellow, and Premier Purple Red. And I probably could do just a tiny bit of each one again. So we're doing a flip cup. And all these paints have treadmill silicone in them, so we will have some selling going on. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and flip that cup onto the canvas. Put on some gloves, and then we'll pour some black around there. Grab my tool. Go right around this with black. And I'm hoping when I flip that cup it pushes this black out. I may have to put a little bit on the corners. I have some more black here. So I had quite a few people ask me what would happen if we did it with black. So this is what we're doing. We're doing an experiment. And I did not spray that cup first. So I'm going to go ahead and tip it. And then I'm going to go ahead and pull the black over. Doing is like shoving that black paint over and trying not to mix it in with the color. Okay, so let's see what's going to happen. Give it a minute to just finish flowing out. Getting some really cool effects. Let me go ahead and torch it and see what happens with the torch. Pop those air bubbles and maybe bring some silicone up. Okay, let's start tilting. I think I'm just going to roll it around first. Got some going over. Okay, so I'm going to come down here to this corner. Let that flow right over. Bring my paint back to the middle and head to this corner. And we're going to bring it down here. It's not the same effect, is it? It is pretty though. It's bright. So this is where your viscosities of your paint comes in. The white is a little heavier than the black probably. But this is going to change as it sets, and we're going to go ahead and torch it again. It's actually kind of cool. More of that color will come up through that black as the black sinks. So the black is, we're finding out the black is not as heavy as the white. It's slower to sink. So you're not getting the same effect as the white. Well, we're going to be bringing up a bunch of cells now. I'm already seeing them coming. And they're going to grow. Under there. But that's pretty cool. I really like it. So there we go, guys. That's the black effect. So click subscribe if you're new. Haven't joined us yet. There's a little bell next to the subscribe button that will notify you when I upload my next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. Shop with us on Amazon and Redbubble and Etsy. It's really cool. All the links are below. If you want to sponsor my channel, the link for PayPal is there as well. And we'll be doing our sponsor giveaway in August. Turn it around so you can see the other side. So this came out pretty neat. I'm happy with it. It's pretty cool. Alright guys, thanks so much for joining me, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye now.